Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror on a Chevy Malibu. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new mirror assembly. Always ensure the replacement mirror is specifically designed for your Malibu model. For safety, disconnect your vehicle's battery before you begin any work, especially if your mirror has electrical components. This simple step prevents potential electrical issues during the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This will expose the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect any wiring harnesses connected to the mirror. Finally, use your screwdriver or wrench to remove the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it firmly using the bolts you saved from the previous step. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors to the new mirror, ensuring they click securely into place. Before putting the door panel back on, temporarily reconnect the battery and test the mirror's power adjustments and any other features. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are properly secured. Reconnect your vehicle's battery. Now, thoroughly test all functions of your new side mirror, including power adjustments, turn signals, and heating elements if applicable. Ensure the mirror moves smoothly and responds correctly to controls. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Chevy Malibu's side mirror.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.